Hello, today I'm going to show you the Lelit Mara E61 machine. As you can see, it's a very small footprint with the E61 grip head. It's an excellent machine, very good quality, quite stable temperature and great steam. I bought this at the Jet Black shop in Cremorne in Sydney, in Military Road, Sydney, Australia. Very good service, excellent advice, so very happy with the support there. But it's a great machine, highly recommend it, and I'll show you a quick brew making.
Couldn't go for a nice stroll on the sand 25,000 years ago. Essentially, all the water. Migration affected human migration from when we first walked out of Africa, and honestly, levels allowed people to migrate.
God, you can taste the difference in the coffee.
Yeah.
Between the